Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today's lesson is about Lambda expression. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a new project. Let's put in this folder right here. I'm a little bit messy with my projects here, but one day I will clean it up and it will be nice, beautiful. Not today. Okay, so let's do new class. Let's call it Lambda project. Let's create public static void main. Here we go. So Lambda is function. Java programming language is language that uses classes for everything, and since Java 8 they introduced Lambda expressions to have functional usability in Java. So we can use short little sentences that would work well. So we don't need to, instead of 6 lines, we can have 1 line of code. So let's do here a little program which will have a list of employees, and from that list of employees we'll print only employees with the highest salary. For example, the salary that is over $50,000. So first of all, let's create a class employee. Employee. Let's have employees employee name, string employee name. Let's have salary, integer salary. Let's have integer date of birth. No reason, just to have something about employee. Let's create a constructor employee which will take 3 values: string name, integer salary, and of course integer maybe age, not date of birth but age, just in case. Sounds more, I don't know, sounds more proper. So let's have values instantiate. So this name, this name, this salary, this age. Okay, so we have very nice, beautiful employee here. Now let's create a couple of employees. Let's create an array of employees. Yes, and then we'll run entire array. We're gonna use Lambda Expression to choose which employees makes more than $50,000. So first of all, let's do this. Employee 0. John makes 50,000. John is 25. Okay, what's going on here? Employee. Maybe this is the problem? Yes, this is the problem. How about here? Nope. How come? Oh, okay. Maybe I know what's happening here. How about now? Nope. That's weird. If we're gonna do okay, so okay, no, I'll do employee array list. Yes, that would be the nicest solution to this issue here. Okay, so first of all, well, let's create array list. Array list with employees. Employee list, array list, new array list, employee. Okay, let's import array list class. Import array list from Java util. Okay, we have here. Okay, so we created array list of employee objects. Well, right now only one object which is not instantiated yet, and then let's add employees to this array list. So we're gonna add employees to array list by using add method. Add. Okay. can add our famous John. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, now it looks good. Now it looks bad. What's going on? Oh, no, this one, we need to delete it. Okay, now it looks good back. Okay, so we'll have, let's have 25, John, David, 45, 200,000. Micah's will have 89,034, and Julius okay, let's make 45,000. 36. Okay, so that is what we have. We have created a list of employees. And we are almost done. Our logic is almost done. So let's run a for loop, which will okay. So this for loop will be of type employee. Okay. I'm not sure now if it will. Okay, how am I gonna check if employee? How about will okay, now everything looks good. Okay, we need to create a predicate lambda expression before the array. Okay, so predicate employee predicate equals e. So okay, this is gonna be our test case. So we're gonna pass e. E is employee. So here we'll need to add e, that's employee salary more than 50. How about that? More than 50. And let's have another no, that's fine, that's good enough. So that is our lambda expression. Let's import it from util util function. Yes, because lambda expressions are functions. That's my mistake. Okay, now it looks like we are on the right path. So this is the lambda expression. This where we tell to check for the salary. And then here we're gonna run entire array list. Let's have if statement here. If PR, which is here predicate, PR that test, which is method of class of instance lambda instance test, and let's pass E. Yes, that's E. If this is correct, let's print what. Let's print name, e name plus e employee salary. That's it. Let's see if it runs. Maybe it's not. That's it. Run application. Oh, look at this. Rich David and Rich Mikas, and then John and Julius have a future next decade to get more money. Okay, so that was our lambda expression play. So this is basically lambda expression, which this is where we create the entire logic, and the rest is the history. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, please comment.